Welcome to our lesson on a day in the life of an AI product manager. We will explore the daily tasks and responsibilities that shape this exciting role. In the morning, AI product managers participate in stand-up meetings. These meetings are crucial for team coordination and help prioritize tasks effectively. This quote reminds us that collaboration is vital in product management. It underscores the importance of teamwork in achieving product goals. After stand-ups, AI product managers conduct user research. This involves interviews and feedback analysis to understand user needs and refine product features. Collaboration with UX/UI teams is essential. This partnership ensures that products are user-friendly and visually appealing. Next, AI product managers hold meetings with engineers. These discussions clarify requirements and ensure that development aligns with product goals. This quote emphasizes the importance of collaboration in building successful products. It highlights how teamwork drives innovation. Throughout the day, AI product managers analyze data. Tracking key performance indicators and user analytics helps inform future product decisions. Effective communication with stakeholders is vital. It ensures everyone is aligned with the product vision and progress. As the day progresses, AI product managers prepare for product launches. Finalizing features and coordinating with marketing are crucial steps in this process. This quote highlights the importance of preparation in product management. It serves as a reminder to always be ready for launches. After a product launch, AI product managers conduct reviews. Gathering user feedback and analyzing performance are vital for future iterations. AI product managers must engage in continuous learning. Staying updated on trends and technologies is key to their success. To wrap up, AI product managers have diverse responsibilities. Collaboration is essential for achieving successful product outcomes. This quote reflects the optimistic outlook for product management in AI. It encourages aspiring product managers to embrace the future. Thank you for joining this lesson on a day in the life of an AI product manager. We look forward to seeing you in the next lesson as we continue our journey.